Hi, this is Jeff Cho from the University of Alberta on the Admin UI team for Review Board. This is my third and final demo video for UCOSP Fall Semester 2018, and I'll be showing you my Admin UI shell redesign. So this is what the current Admin UI shell looks like. We have the navbar up here with 4 elements. We have styling in hues of blue and gray. Very rounded outlines on these boxed elements, and you can see they're dropping a bit of shadow as well. So I'll just show you what some of these pages look like so that you can compare them when I pull up the redesign. So when I load here, it's just going to take a second to recompile the CSS files. Okay, so this is the new design. You got to see a bit of it on my last demo video, but here you see we have more orange and white, which feels more fresh and clean. You can see that the boxed elements no longer have shadows and that the rounded edges are much tighter. Most of this work is done in the less files, with some work being done in some of the template files and translation files. So one of the major changes here is that these 4 elements that were up here are now in this tabbed browsing, where the active element gets this white tab and outline around it, which is really nice. And this is the code for that here. So we have the nav bar, we grab the URLs that these are going to link to, and we check if we are on the page that they link to, and if so, we add the active class to them, which gives them this outline. So you can see that the pages themselves are much more clean and readable now as well compared to the old design. So we have cleaner text, less divider lines, and this just has a much more modern feel to it. So we can compare the current general settings page to the old one, and I obviously like the new design much better. So that is it for me this semester. I've had a great time working on Review Board and learning about this code base, as well as things like how Django works, CSS and less, but most importantly, I've learned about what code review really is and why it can be so important when it's done well. I hope you've enjoyed my demo videos and that you'll get to see some of this work firsthand in the Review Board code base.